Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you fix blurry pictures which is sent from iPhone to Android. So guys, if you have any blurry picture that is sent from iPhone to Android and you want to fix it, you can just fix it through many kind of picture editing app, or you can just fix it through going to any website, just like I'm using this browser and going to use the website, just searching by blurry photo clear, this one, and after that you can just go here, pick wish photo editor. Here you can see upload image, just click on it and upload your photo that is blurry. It may take a few moments to fix the blurry picture. Here you can see the before and after picture. In the video the fixing is may not be clear, but the blurriness has been removed. And you can just download this picture by clicking here download image. You may need to just log in with your account, and after that you can just fix the blurry picture. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.